thank you so much for that soup. It is the best soup I've put in my body in such a long time. Peace and blessings to you. Continue the good work, and God is good all the time. Thank you, sir.
You get down to the core of like humanity where like we're all the same, and it's a really humbling thing to be able to like, you know what, take time out and to be able to serve somebody else who can't do anything for you.
It is a joyful experience that you can bring a smile, go out and talk to some of these individuals that a lot of times other people will not. They just kind of ignore them.
People are such bright spirits, and that just makes everything worthwhile.
It has been amazing to be able to come back and give back to the community.
What we do to others, that feeling is unmatched. That's what we are here.
And it did something to me. There's something here. I felt emotional.
And that's what I really love about this group, is the fact that it's all so pure. And we're all having a good time. They singing Alicia Keys back there. I don't know what they're singing, but... Hey, hold on!
You're beautiful, like diamonds in the sky.
I think sometimes people come and they're like, give these people food all the time and they're still on the street. But really the problem is that people ignore them. So when you can bring, you know, teenage girls from high school, take them in the street, and all of a sudden they're singing with someone who's living on the street, it's just, that's amazing, man. Like, they're not afraid. They're just people being people. And that's what we need.
Like beautiful, like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
So you start at one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, MVP right here. MVP. He's recording. All right. All right, gather around, everybody. That's it.